So friends, before we begin, safety first. Always wear your ear protection and your eye protection before you commence firing. Now we are going to do the accuracy test for the MSD Eagle 7.62 into 25 mm pistol. The correct way to hold the pistol is hold the barrel in your left hand. The web goes in first, then the thumb. The little finger, the ring finger and the middle finger close. In this open area, place the ball of your thumb and hold it tight. Okay friends, we've concluded the accuracy test. Now we're going to see what happens when you fire non-stop. The magazine is fully loaded. Let's see what it does. I have fired a fair number of 7.62 to 25 mm pistols, both Indian made and foreign made. But the MSD Eagle has surprised me. It aims recoil exceptionally well, and that bin hook receiver really helps manage muzzle flip, so follow-up shots stay on the target. The trigger, smooth as silk, easily the nicest trigger I have felt on a protection pistol. Powerful, accurate, and eminently controllable. The tight pattern on the target speaks volumes about its accuracy. And the extended magazine capacity, you've got a serious package built like a beast. If you want reliability, punch, and the sweetest trigger in its class, this is it. At this point of time, I would like to acknowledge Mr. Aman Sarna from Group India Arms Corporation for providing us with the firearms and the ammunition to conduct these tests. Thank you, Aman. Keep on doing the good work. See you in the next video. Till then, if you like the content, like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.